Welcome to Question and Answer on our world and its physical features. Let's learn together with MG through stories, poems, and learning magic. Get ready to explore and discover. Let's begin with our first question. The Aravalli Mountains are situated in A. India, B. Europe, C. North America, D. China. The correct answer is A. India. Question 2. Which of the following landforms is also known as a tableland? A. Plateaus, B. Plains, C. Mountains, D. Valleys. The correct answer is A. Plateaus. Question 3. Which row correctly shows examples of hot deserts? Row P, row Q, row R, row S. Let's look at the table. Row P includes the Rann of Kutch and Gobi Desert. Row Q includes the Gobi Desert and Sonoran Desert. Row R includes only the Gobi Desert. Row S includes the Rann of Kutch and Sonoran Desert. The correct answer is B. Row Q. Question 4. Ranch-style houses generally have 1. Private outdoor areas. 2. No windows. 3. High ceilings. Options: only 1, only 2, both 1 and 2, both 1 and 3. The correct answer is both 1 and 3. Now fill in the blanks. What is the biggest mountain peak in the world? The answer is Mount Everest. Ranch-style houses are generally single-story buildings. Majuli Island is situated in Assam. When the peak of a mountain is covered with snow, it is called a snowcap. The highest point on a mountain is called the summit. A dome-shaped house made of snow or ice blocks is called an igloo. Next, fill in the blanks. The movement of people from one place to another is called migration. Earthquakes are an example of natural disaster. Cold deserts are mainly covered with snow and ice. The Tibetan Plateau is also known as the roof of the world. Stilt houses are built on poles made of wood or bamboo over the surface of land or a water body. Let's try some true or false questions. Log cabins are small houses made of interlocking logs of trees. This is true. People who migrate are called migrants. This is true. Both hot and cold deserts always experience low temperatures. This is false. The Sahara Desert is located in the United States of America. This is false. Now, match the columns. Barossa Valley matches with Egypt. Central Valley matches with Chile. Kangra Valley matches with Himachal Pradesh. Kashmir Valley matches with Kashmir. Let's define some key terms. A plateau is a vast and elevated flatland which may have 1 or 2 steep slopes. A mountain range is a series of mountains arranged in a line. A valley is a low area of land between hills and mountains, often with a river or stream flowing through it. Valleys have fresh water and fertile soil, and people have settled in valleys since ancient times. Permanent migration is when someone moves from one place to another and does not return to their original home. Now, short answers. Why are chalets made of wood? Because wood keeps chalets warm during the winter and cool during the summer. What type of climate is observed in hot deserts? Hot deserts have a hot and dry climate. Where is the Himalayan mountain range located? It is located in Asia. What is a snowcap? When the peak of a mountain is covered with snow, it is called a snowcap. What are plateaus? Name any one plateau. A plateau is a vast and elevated flatland that may have 1 or more sides with steep slopes. The Deccan Plateau is an example, and it is located in India. Here are more short answers. In which landforms are bungalows usually made? Bungalows are made on plains. One feature of a bungalow is that it can be single-storied or multi-storied, with large windows, wide verandas, high ceilings, and open spaces for ventilation and natural cooling effects. Plains are the most populated landforms because they are suitable for transport and have fertile soil, making them favorable for growing crops. How is migration beneficial for people? Migration helps people get better access to medical facilities and good quality schools for children. More short answers. Why are terraced houses made in a stepwise manner? Terraced houses are built in steps with common walls on slopes to reduce the risk of destruction caused by landslides. Where are adobe houses found? Adobe houses are found in plains. Why do bungalows have large windows and wide verandas? For ventilation and natural light. Which characteristic of the Deccan Plateau makes it suitable for growing cotton? The Deccan Plateau has fertile black soil. Let's continue. What are islands? An island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water on all sides. What happens when rivers and plateaus flow down from high, steep slopes? They form waterfalls, and people use this flowing water to generate electricity. What type of landform has a summit and a broad base? A mountain. A summit is also known as a peak. What are chalets and where are they found? Chalets are houses made of wood and are found in plains. Give reasons. Very few plants and animals are found in deserts due to the lack of water and extreme temperature. Common walls are made between terraced houses to reduce the risk of landslides. Competency-based question. What is migration? Migration is the movement of people from one place to another. In which year was the number of migrants the highest? The year 2020. Compared to 1990, how many more people migrated to City X in 2000? 90,000,000 more people. Picture study. Identify the type of landform shown in the picture. The image shows an island. An island is surrounded by water on all sides. In the picture, the green landmass is surrounded by blue ocean water, which is the main characteristic of an island. One example of this type of landform is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Sri Lanka, or Lakshadweep Islands. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Remember to review the material again to strengthen your understanding. Keep learning and exploring our world and its amazing physical features.